how to link PayPal to Discord. If you'd like to link your PayPal account to Discord, it is actually quite very simple to do so. Basically, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all, make sure to launch the Discord application, and this is the type of interface that you will be able to see. Now, what you have to do from here is you want to simply go to this option here that says user settings. And once you go to user settings, this is the type of option that you will be able to see right here. Now over here, what you have to do is under payment settings. Let's say you want to buy and add PayPal so that you can buy some Nitro subscription. So for that, you have to come to the billing option first. And here at the top right, you can see it says add payment method. You want to simply click on the add payment method option right there. Sorry. Now here you have the option to link a card or a PayPal account. If you have a card, perfectly fine, totally your choice. You can add a card if you'd like. But if you want to add PayPal, obviously you want to click on the PayPal option. Simply click on confirm PayPal details in your browser. It will open a PayPal in your browser where you have to log in and link it. Once done, your PayPal account will be successfully linked to your Discord. So I hope this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.